Hey everyone. If HandBrake is lagging or encoding super slow on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake slow encoding so you can speed things up and finish your videos faster. First, close unnecessary background apps. Programs like browsers, games, or heavy software can consume CPU and memory, slowing down encoding performance. Next, restart your computer. This clears system memory and gives HandBrake a fresh environment to run more efficiently. Now lower your encoding preset. Using very slow or high quality presets increases processing time. So switching to a faster preset can improve speed. Check your hardware encoding settings. GPU encoding can sometimes cause slowdowns or instability depending on your system setup. Monitor your CPU usage. If your processor is already at high usage, HandBrake won't be able to encode quickly. Try reducing video resolution. Encoding at 720p instead of 1080p or higher can significantly improve speed. Make sure HandBrake and your drivers are updated. Outdated software can lead to performance issues and slow encoding times. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake lagging or slow encoding. Follow each step carefully and your video exports should become much faster and smoother. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right.